The tractor-carrying monkey is moving normally on the road.
NANI?!
Dark clouds are gathering around lightning in the dump truck carrying a chainsaw excavator and clamshell move in. They stop in front of the tree trunk. The clamshell lifts the chainsaw up. Saw the tree line in the section. A swarm of bees flies out. The swarm of bees chases after the monkeys. The monkey runs to the spot behind the truck. The monkey holds a bunch of straw in its hand and tries to scare the bees.
Yeah, boy.
The monkey holds the chainsaw and continues cutting wood. The logs are quickly cut into pieces. Cut the tree into small sections. At the same time, the clamshell releases its grip, clamps onto a log, lifts it, and drops it into the truck.
Hey, come here.
The monkey waves at the excavator and points to the pile of soil and rocks. The excavator scoops up the rocks and loads them into the truck. The monkey nods in satisfaction and waves goodbye to
Good
the bees.
job.
Bye-bye.
The farm is bright under the hot sun. Monkey and tractor come out of the barn. The rice field is dry and cracked. They run to the well to check. The well is empty and dry.
Aha!
He points to the ground and says, "Let's dig a new well." Tractor attaches the trailer and drives off.
Hello, hello.
Whoa!
Hello.
Monkey uses two L-shaped rods to find the spot. The rods cross, marking the drilling point.
I'm coming.
Drill moves in, lowers the bit, and starts drilling. Water bursts from the ground, and drill stops.
Good job.
Come on, step it up.
Ew. Hey you, come here. I know it.
clamshell places the pump and pipes. While mixer truck pours concrete to secure them. Monkey turns on the switch and water sprays across the field. A lush and green rice field appears.
Bye-bye.
Oh no, a big fire. What happened? Monkey and Harvester rushed over to check the situation.
Huh?
But the fire had grown too large and was no longer under control. And then the monkey reminisced. He recalled that at that time, he had been playing with his magnifying glass. At that moment, the tractor came by, called Monkey, and gave him a bunch of bananas. Monkey's eyes lit up at the sight of the bananas. He tossed the magnifying glass aside and ran on. The magnifying glass got stuck in a tree, unintentionally focusing the sunlight onto the dry leaves, causing the tree to catch fire.
Oh my God!
And from there, the entire orchard went up in flames. Realizing that he wasn't the cause, Monkey felt deeply regretful. Tractor came out of the barn, saw the situation, quickly attached the sprinkler system, and rushed into the orchard to put out the fire. The water from the sprinkler wasn't enough to put out the fire. What's more, the wind made the fire flare up even more fiercely. The tractor had to call the fire department to come and extinguish the flame. The fire department quickly arrived at the scene and began extinguishing the fire.
Yes, sir.
With the high-pressure hoses, the fire was quickly brought under control and completely extinguished.
Bye-bye.
Now the orchard was gone.
no.
Monkey felt very sad, but Tractor
Let's
suggested
plant
planting a
apple
new
orchard
garden.
together. Wow. Okay.
Monkey ran into the barn to grab a bag of seeds, while Tractor stayed outside and began plowing the garden. Every inch of soil was turned over to make planting easy. Then Monkey poured the seeds into the seeder. And Tractor attached it before heading out to the field to continue sowing. The seeds were sown evenly in neat rows. Over time, the seedlings began to sprout, and they grew rapidly. The apple orchard had returned to its original state. Well done, everyone.
Bye-bye.
The peaceful farm scene. Monkey and Tractor drive out of the barn.
Oh, wow.
The feeder is almost empty.
Aha!
Hey, you.
Tractor enters the empty field and starts plowing.
Hello, hello. Hello, baby.
Monkey calls bulldozer and water truck to help.
Hello. Hello. Let's play together. I will help you. Let's do it.
Bulldozer digs the soil while water truck waters the field. Monkey runs to the barn and brings out a bag of seeds. He pours the seeds into tractor. Cedar.
Let's go.
Tractor spreads the seeds across the field. Sprouts grow, the rice matures, and the water drains away.
Welcome to the farm, everyone. Today we're going to learn about the harvester.
Okay, okay.
Tractor and harvester work together to harvest, filling the truck with rice. Harvester cuts the rice, pouring grains into tractor's tray.
Good job.
A peaceful morning at the farm. Monkey goes out to check the vegetable garden and finds it covered with weeds.
Huh?
I have a
He
brilliant
suggests using
idea
a
for the
flame weeder
farm.
to get rid of the
We
weeds.
can plant a new crop that will double our harvest this year.
Both came out the warehouse, and the flame weeder was also attached to the tractor. The flame weeder wasn't working. When Monkey
happened?
checked, it turned out that it had run out of fuel.
Howdy there. How's everything
He
down on
immediately
the
called the
farm?
tank truck to deliver
Okay,
fuel.
okay. Okay, okay. Hello.
The tank truck quickly arrived, and the flame weeder was refueled.
Welcome to the farm. I'm so glad you could join us today.
Bye-bye.
The tank truck drove away, and the two got back to work. The flame from the flame leader burned away all the weeds. With all the weeds gone, the vegetables grew faster and healthier. Great job, everyone!